If you're using AI in journalism and your outputs are vague, inaccurate, or useless, it may not be the AI's fault, it's likely your prompt. I'm Titi, and this is the first video in a five-part series on AI skills every journalist need in 2026. Today is for prompt literacy. By the end of this, you will know how to write prompts that actually work and avoid the mistakes that waste time or risk your credibility. Prompt literacy is the ability to write clear, context rich instructions that get usable outputs from AI. It's about being specific. Most journalists treat AI like Google. They type a vague question and expect a perfect answer, and that's not how it works. For instance, a bad prompt would be summarize this malaria report. Using Gemini to search for the example I gave earlier, which is summarize this health report. So I'll pick a particular report, malaria report from WHO, and simply ask it summarize this malaria report. As we can see, the result given to us is generic in the sense of it gives the general overview of the report, the key findings, the mortality, averted cases, malaria interventions, major challenges, and all that. So now we're going to try another prompt where we sort of give specific and context rich prompts to be able to guide it to give us what exactly we want. It gives a generic response because I didn't give the AI any context. I didn't tell it what I'm looking for, why I need it, or how I will use it. Every good prompt has four elements. I'll show you each one using a real newsroom scenario based on Nigeria's 2022 malaria report from WHO. Element 1, the role. Tell the AI who it is. This sets the tone and context. For example, you are a health reporter covering malaria in Nigeria. Element 2, the task. Tell it exactly what you want. For example, summarize the key findings from this WHO malaria report specifically for Kano State. Element 3, constraint. Tell it what to focus on and what to ignore. For example, focus on estimated malaria cases in 2021, malaria prevalence in child under 5, ITN coverage, and treatment seeking behavior. Ignore general background on malaria transmission and data from other states. Extract only key statistics that can be independently verified with page numbers. Element 4, the output format. Tell it how you want the answer structured. For example, provide the summary in bullet points with source page numbers for every statistic. Now we're going to be using the detailed prompt that I just gave, and then let's see the output it's going to provide. So it was able to give us key findings for Kano State, specific details for Kano State, the estimated malaria cases, insecticide treated nets, treatment seeking behavior. So we can see that it's narrowed down the what exactly we're looking for, and more importantly, it was able to give us the output in bullet points as indicated, and with the links attached, links where it's got the information from, that the specific places. Prompt literacy is about being clear. The clearer your prompt, the better your output. Now, what I want you to do is take one task you would normally do manually and write a prompt using the four elements I just showed you. Try it, see what happens, document what worked and what didn't, then come back and tell me in the comments. Next week, I'm covering hallucination detection, how to spot when AI is lying to you with data that looks real but isn't. This is critical for health reporting and investigative journalism. And if you found this helpful, share this with one journalist who needs to see this. See you in the next one.